Man's in the moment, Paul Espargaro, Marquez back, oh dearie me!
What's happened here? Oh, a huge crash, oh goodness.
That is Franco Morbidelli's turn number 3. I was wincing, I shut my eyes when Rossi came through. That is super scary, terrifying crash.
Zarco comes around and he's going to try and take a defensive line.
Morbidelli's back!
Oh, Rossi!
Dearie me!
Rossi's dodged
Rossi.
What's happened here is Zarco's trying to take a defensive line. He runs across but doesn't realise where. Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
It went straight.
Almost 200 miles an hour. I'm sweating. My palms are soaking wet.
We can see there
Valentino Rossi.
Franco Morbidelli.
He's going to need
be okay.
the composure here.
Simon.
Yeah, guys.
Watch Valentino Rossi here. Watch that.
My goodness
my
me.
Goodness. That bike missed Valentino Rossi's head
my
by
God.
fractions. Oh.
I think, and they ended up in the same spot.
Yeah, there's absolutely no way that you can be pointing fingers. It's not
bad stuff, that was.
Pole, come on.